Hey guys, this coming weekend is CDRA up in Mocan. That's right. I'm going to be up there running both classes again, Super Pro in No E. I am making a quick change for this race to help my red lights. Those tires are going to be gone. I am going back to my big ones. These guys here. Okay, those were 25s. These are 28s. Yeah, so that should help a lot. So okay, got the tires changed out to the 28s, and guess what, the backs are 28s, so it's going to look the same size tire in the front as it's in the back. Kind of look like a street car, wouldn't you say? So anyway, yeah, we got the tires swapped out, so hopefully that's the key of me not going red now and no E. So I can stall where I want to, leave, and get a good green light. So that's the plan. I just think with the radials, those small tires, and the car is racking way too quick for me, and I've been going red quite a bit. Super Pro I'm not as worried about. I'll just adjust the box and make it leave where I want it to leave. So that's what we're going to test Friday night for. Okay, that's what it looks like sitting down on all fours. So yes, that's the height of it, and that's what we're going to keep it at. I don't want any lower. So anyway, looks pretty good. Got the tires on. Just need to check a few more things out, then we are ready to go racing. If you have never been to CDRA, be up there. So with that, hopefully I'll see you up there, CDRA. If you want to stop by and say hi, say hi. But anyway, with that, see you then.